How to find Sound ID in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device and log into your account. Then, in here, click on Create at the top. After you've clicked on Create, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, you'll find Creations. Click on Creations. Then, click on Development Items in here. After you click on Development Items in here, click on Audio. After that, scroll down and you'll find your audios. In here, on the right side, click on 3 dots. After you click on 3 dots, you'll find Copy Asset ID. You will be able to find ID from here. You can also click on Store at the top. After you click on Store, simply you'll find all these options in the store. Now what you can do is simply at the top click on Audio. After you click on Audio in here, you'll find all the audio. And this is how to find Sound ID in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.